entrepreneurship. In this video, I'm going to be going over side hustles, main hustles, and even some jobs I have worked at just to make at least 10K a month. Now, these side hustles can go anything from, geocaching for free to investing into Shopify businesses, And I would say that's a side hustle because you are not really watching it, but you also are kind of watching it. So it's like passive income. But I have multiple sources of income, and I'm going to be explaining it to you guys and how you can do it yourself. So it all started in Hawaii, where me and my brother tried and saw videos of Shopify. Now, we thought that we could make, a bunch of money on Shopify. We thought we could make it big. And honestly, I had one shop which made it low-key, big, but not enough money. I was not bringing enough money with our expenses. We were losing money. We had problems with PayPal where we couldn't withdraw our money. Therefore, we were just losing money. We weren't making money at all. So I honestly gave up on that. I made about $100, but we also lost a bunch more than we actually made. So I gave up on that. Then me and my friends started doing a lemonade stand. Now I thought about this and I was like, dude, in Hawaii it's such a hot weather, it's like California, it's super hot. People will buy lemonade if they're just going to drive around, if you set up a lemonade stand park at your park maybe, or in just a public place like a mall. People, even though there is locations with lemonade that might be better than your lemonade, they are still gonna buy from you because it is who is selling it. If you're confident, if you're nice, and you honestly really advertise it a lot, then they will buy from you and they'll even give you some tips sometimes.
Oh man, you have no idea how much this means to me.
So I have this one story where me and my friend were selling lemonade. We said name your price. Now you always want to put name your price because normally people will give you more than what you actually wanted for the lemonade. So we wanted around $1, but this dude gave us $50 because he supported the hustle, he supported the grind. So this honestly really pushed me and motivated me and showed me how much money people have that they are not, really holding on to, but they're willing to give to, a young entrepreneur who wants to make it big. So this $50 honestly really motivated me. And I did this at least 5 times, and we would make about $100 per hour. And that's that's a pretty good day, $100 per hour. But we would usually make around that just from one, big fish. There would be a little small fishes, but one big fish would just give us $20, $40, even sometimes $50, like I said. And then after lemonade stands, I was like, all right, we're making money, I have my friend help me out, but my friends were not helping me out enough, They did not want to do this business with me. So honestly, I kind of quit on that. Then we moved to California, where I don't really have, much friends who are bold, like my ones in Hawaii, where they would honestly sell lemonade and do a stand with me. So I decided to, work online, find some jobs online that I could work at 15, just became 15 or 15 and a half. So I opened my eBay account. Now I first started with reselling Tesla chargers, buy them off of a website for $1,000, sell them for $2K on eBay, and boom, that's an easy, or $1,000. But later on this became a problem because those chargers got restocked really fast and they got, full. There's no need for those chargers, so I need to find the next charger. Then I realized that people go on eBay and they just buy products. They don't buy only chargers. They buy anything from literally a water bottle to sunscreen. They will buy anything on there. So I started mass selling random items, and people would buy it and then I'll buy it from a separate account. So I would explain this like Shopify. It's basically Shopify on eBay, but you don't have to advertise because it's on eBay. eBay advertises your listing, it puts it at the top, and people bought from me. Therefore my listings got more popular and went up. Now with eBay, this is when I made my first couple of grand in a month. Now this honestly was my biggest pushing factor to making a lot of money during each month. But with eBay, there's a lot of age requests, so you gotta have your parents. Your parents gotta help you a lot if you wanna be doing this job, especially if you're under 18. Right as you're above 18, it's free sailing from there. You have it so easy online You can do almost literally everything you want to. So my mom helped me out a little, and then honestly I had some problems with eBay, and now I can't do eBay. But that is how I made most of my money. Now I am trying to do multiple businesses. You know, I'm trying to work a minimum wage job, which I don't want to do. But I am making money off of sponsorships. Like I just got this sponsorship. It's called the coldest water bottle. Now a lot of you guys probably seen it on TikTok, but they just paid me $300 to advertise their water bottle in 10 videos, and they gave me a free water bottle. So you know, I snatched that offer, I snatched that deal, and now I made $300 more. Now, from the coldest water bottle, this really helped me out to start my other, like, you know, selling ideas. So I actually started a little, you know, no one really knew about this, you know. I didn't really post about this, but I would buy broken bikes, or I would buy old phones, and I would resell them for higher. You know, I would fix up the bike, maybe put on new handles, and this made me a big chunk of money, you know, especially when I started adding my friends into it. But this made me a lot of money. I made upwards of, like, I think $2,000 per month. Mountain bikes is what I'm trying to say. Mountain bikes sell for a lot, guys. Originally the bike is $1,000, but there's some busted wheels, some busted handles, so you buy from them for like 100. Then you just replace the wheels, the handles, and boom, you got a brand new $1,000 bike. People buy bikes like, you know, they spam bikes. Same for phones. People will buy your phones so fast. So basically you just buy a phone and boom, you sell the phone for like higher. Now if there's something wrong with the phone, then obviously you want to fix it, but you gotta be like kind of smart to be able to fix a phone. So obviously I was not, you know, I wasn't, I don't know, tactical enough to be able to fix a phone like that. But that is how I made $10,000 a month, guys. Now, I know it sounds complicated, but I would say eBay is my biggest thing, maybe even Shopify. I would recommend trying out Shopify. Some people succeed in it. I would say it's a very hard business. I would recommend eBay, since you could also advertise on TikTok. Now, I did make money through the TikTok Creator Fund, but it was not that much. It was only about $100. And I kind of had to stop with that because there's taxes, and I was, you know, I couldn't do that because I'm not 18 and I can't pay taxes. But I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope this little life story video helped you guys out. You know, I went from a kid that just surfed, you know, a kid that just did nothing really, you know, just lemonade stands, to making 10K per month online, you know, sitting in my room. You know, I got these shoes back here. I thrifted these, bro. I made money thrifting too. I'll let you guys know that. I made money thrifting. Guess how much I got these for? And these are Nikes. It's not really focusing. I'm trying to show it. I got these for $13, or like in brand new condition. They're $100, and bro, these things are almost brand new condition. So I'm keeping these because I like these shoes actually, like for myself. But I did resell shoes for a little too. And I love, honestly, reselling, I would say, is a big factor. Also, knowing people is a big factor. If you know rich people, you'll become rich yourself. So I hope this video helped you guys. Hope this little, like, you know, lifetime story helped you guys and motivated you guys. And honestly gave you an idea of what you can do with your life, dude. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. You know, we are growing pretty decently. But hope we hit that 10K subscribers soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.